Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to Emerge Kenya TV. We are so honored that you would join us. Thank you so much. Today guys, we are in Matangi in Ruiru, Kenya, and we'll be touring this beautiful home that is in the market, up for sale or for lease. This is a luxurious 4-bedroom all ensuite mansion in a quiet neighborhood in Ruiru and only a few minutes drive from Thika Superhighway. This house sits on a 40 by 60 piece of land with enough parking space for 2 cars and also comes with a sliding gate. So please join us in this house tour and watch until the end, and remember to like, to share, to leave a comment and subscribe if you haven't yet. If you're interested in buying this beautiful house or renting it or even coming to view this house, we'll have the details later in this video. Step in the front door of this luxurious house and I'm sure you can't wait. You are greeted by this spacious sunken living room with big windows, stylish ceiling, and a place you would call home. You will now love this dining room of this home that unites both the kitchen and the living room of this house. Stainless double sink, spacious countertops, walk-in pantry and great cabinets complement this spacious, well-designed kitchen. As you move to the sleeping quarters of this house, you won't fail to notice this amazing stairwell to your upstairs of this house. And did I tell you guys that all the bedrooms in this house are fully ensuite, and so is true for this guest bedroom. This is the modern guest bathroom, and I'm sure you like these beautiful towels already.
No, I'm not a saint. Is anybody these days? Oh, I've been a liar. Pointed a finger when I started the fire, and I've never been one to pry.
Next to the guest bathroom is the home office or study room, which we won't be touring today since it was in use as we recorded this video.
Sunrise, like Sunday faith washing over me after the hardest night. You're giving me reason to believe it's alright even when it's not. We don't have it all, but we've got a lot. So amen and hallelujah, thanking God's above.
Moving on upstairs, the wooden stairs add a lot of elegance to this spacious stairwell. As you land upstairs is this multi-purpose room or family room that comes with a balcony to the back of the house.
Never made the best choices. My heart can run wild. I get distracted with pretty voices, but my past lovers were wrong. Knew it from how their love was given. I feel right since they've been gone. Since you became my religion, babe.
And now we find ourselves in the second bedroom of this house, which offers great space and simplicity and is also fully ensuite.
Reason to believe it's alright even when it's not. We don't have it all, but we've got a lot. So amen and hallelujah, thanking God's above. Take me to church with your love. Take me to church with your love. You took me down to the river, gave me a new start. It's different now with no sinners, breaking my heart, and I don't feel the hurt I used to be made of. 'Cause you take me to church without you, love. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
We are now in the third bedroom, which if you can remember is also fully ensuite and has those sliding doors in the wardrobe.
It's alright even when it's not. We don't have it all, but we've got a lot. So amen, hallelujah, thanking God's above. Take me to church with your love. Take me to church, take me to church, take me to church with your love. Take me to church, walk me down to the river. Give me a new start, it's different now, no sinners, breaking my heart.
I wake up, I don't wanna make my bed. I'll save up all my energy, instead you take up all.
And now the master suite. Double walk-in closet, balcony, soaking tub in the bathroom, shower, and elegance at its best.
Can't take it anymore, 'cause I can't stop you from running around through my mind. Won't stop running, never will. I'll take some melatonin pills this time, 'cause I just wanna sleep tonight. Yeah, I just wanna sleep. But lately I've been sleeping way too much, 'cause baby, I've been dreaming about us, and I can't help but wish that all my dreams came true. But I'm not ever wishing on a star. That galaxies won't make you change your heart, won't make it any easier for me. stop dreaming about you. So I've been getting bags under my eyes, 'cause I've been staying up too late at night, just writing all my feelings out on this page. Deciding whether I should just confess or hide it. Tell myself it's for the best, but either way I go, I know you're never gonna feel the same. So I drink up my coffee, harder iced, to get me through another lonely night. I wanna fall asleep, but I shouldn't fall asleep this time.
This home comes with a 24/7 CCTV system already installed and ready for use. And like I was telling you guys earlier, this home is up for sale or for rent, and if you'd be interested in buying or leasing or even viewing, please contact us. The contact information will be in the description section of this video. This home is located in Matangi in Ruiru, Kenya, and the owner is asking 14.5 million Kenyan shillings. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly like this video, share it, leave a comment and subscribe if you haven't yet. And until our next video, have a good one, be safe, be kind, and cheers. Bye bye.